Hey everyone, Joey right here, and welcome back to the Racing Line TV, and welcome back for another How Does It Work together with Autopit. Today we're gonna share to you on how the clutch system works on your vehicle. Check it out. So before I'm going to tell you how the clutch system works, I'm going to show you some vital components of the clutch system. First is the flywheel. The flywheel is bolted to the engine via the crankshaft. When the engine is running, the flywheel rotates. Next, we have the clutch plate that is connected to the input shaft of the transmission. Next is the pressure plate and the clutch cover that is bolted to the flywheel, keeps them clamped firmly together. The clutch is a mechanism that smoothly transmits and cuts off power to the transmission by engaging and disengaging. The clutch cover and the flywheel always revolve together with the engine. When the clutch cover pushes the clutch plate against the flywheel, engine torque is transmitted to the transmission. When the clutch pedal is pressed, the pressure against the flywheel is released. Disengaging the clutch in this state, engine torque is no longer transmitted into the transmission. So the most important part of this is to educate you that by stepping on the clutch pedal more often will wear out your clutch disc faster, which means that you will need to replace it the earliest period that it should be. Here at Autopit, we are also equipped with the right tools, equipment, and the spare parts for your clutch system, and these are AISIN brand, top leading OEM Japanese brand in the market today, so you will be sure of its quality. And of course, here at Autopit, we make sure that your vehicles are ride ready for the road to give you a smoother travel. So now you know how the clutch system works. Make sure that you take care of it, and we'll see you again next time.